Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. If you are new here, welcome to another palette mashup video. In today's video, I am mashing together the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette with the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Love Signs palette. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look and seeing how these two palettes play together, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off in the Love Signs palette, and I'm going to dip into the matte Cancer shade, and I'm going to use that as my transition. Next up, hopping over to the Sweet Talk palette, I'm going to dip into Work It and build that up in my crease. And then into the matte Virgo shade in the Love Signs palette to start deepening up my outer corner. And last but not least, for the mattes, I'm going to dip into Feel Free in the Sweet Talk palette and really just add a lot of depth and dimension to my outer corners. Alright, real quick, I'm just going to go over everything with the brushes I've already used to make sure everything's really blended. I am fine with it for this look, but if you want a little bit more depth and dimension, I would actually recommend working darkest to lightest with this look and with these palettes. The dark Feel Free shade isn't quite coming through as much as I would like it to. So you could work darkest to lightest, go from the dark kind of mulberry color up to that like mustardy yellow and just blend everything out with that. Just a thought. Alright, with my fingers, I'm going to go back into Cancer, but I'm going to use the foil shade and press that onto the open space of my lids. And then I'm going to top it off with the pressed glitter Early Morning. Alright, super simple, super easy, basic look, but I'm going to jump off and toss on my base, and I'll be back to continue working on this look. Alright, so for my bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Sephora matte bronzer in the shade Mallorca. For my blush, I'm going to dip into the AOA Perfect Blush in the shade Wispy. For my highlight, I'm going to dip into the NYX Born to Glow Duo in Rock Candy and Golden Cuffs. I'm going to go finish up the rest of my face. For my lips, I'm going to go in with the Milani Color Fetish lipstick in the shade Lustful. And this is the shine ones, because I know that they've come out with matte ones recently. These are the shiny ones. But I'm going to toss this on, finish up the rest of my face. I'll be right back. So here is the final look, and that is going to wrap up my palette mashup with the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Love Signs palette and the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. I love both of these palettes individually, and like this look is pretty, but just something about it isn't quite right. I think it's that the depth on the outer corner just isn't quite there for me. And when I was swatching the pressed glitter shade, the early morning shade that I put on, it's right here, that I tapped on my lids when I was originally swatching it to kind of get an idea, did I need to put on something underneath it? You know, sometimes you do, sometimes you don't, and it's like incredibly patchy. It's a little bit different than their standard pressed glitter shades that they have in a lot of their palettes, which is fine. But I do love both of these palettes individually. I just think that together they were just kind of eh. Like, like I said, it's a pretty look. I'm not mad that I have to go spend the rest of my day and like go out in public looking like this by any means. It's just not, it's just meh. I feel very meh about it. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Comment down below and let me know how you would pair these two palettes together. I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!